Hello everyone, I am Sukirti. I am an educator guiding, helping and motivating students from last so many years. Welcome to my channel Learn, Practice, Achieve. आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे रियल नंबर्स प्रैक्टिस सेशन 2. So here we will discuss extra questions which are related to Euclid's division lemma and Euclid's division algorithm, just like we did in our practice session 1. So चलिए शुरू करें. So now we will start real number practice session 2, question number 1, and in this question number 1 it is given that if a and b are two positive odd integers such that a is greater than b, then prove that one of the two numbers a plus b by 2 and a minus b by 2 is odd and the other one is even. Means when we will get two numbers, we have to prove that one number is odd and another one number is even. Okay, so when we will write positive odd integers can be written in the form of 2q plus 1 or 2q plus 3. Okay, now here in your question it is given that a is greater than b. So if a is greater than b, out of these two numbers, this is a bigger number, so this is a, and this is a smaller number, so this is equal to b. Okay, now one of the two numbers a plus b by 2, we have to prove whether this number is even or odd. So we will take the values of a and b here. A plus b by 2 can be written as 2q plus 3 plus 2q plus 1 divided by 2. So this is equal to 4q plus 4 by 2. Then by taking 4 as common, q plus 1 by 2. Now 2 and 4 you can cancel. So this is 2. So this is equal to 2 into q plus 1. So if any number is multiplied by 2, so it is an even number. Clear? In the same way we can find out a minus b by 2. So when we will write a minus b by 2 and put the value of the numbers, a is equal to 2q plus 3 minus 2q plus 1 by 2. This is equal to 2q plus 3 minus 2q minus 1 by 2. Okay, so this is equal to plus 2q and minus 2q cancel. Then 3 minus 1 you will get 2, 2 by 2. So it is cancelled. You will get 1 and 1 is a odd number. Okay, so from this equation we can say that the first number is even, that is a plus b by 2 is an even number, whereas a minus b by 2 is odd number. So hence we can write it is proved. Now we will do question number 2 of practice session 2. What is the question? Express the SCF of 468 and 228 as 468x plus 222y. Also find the value of x and y where both are integers. Okay, so because here it is written the SCF of these two numbers is written in the form of 468x plus 222y. So first we will find out SCF of these two given numbers. So to find out the SCF of two given number, we have to use Euclid's division algorithm. So 222 and 468. So when we will divide, 2 is 444, then 22, then 9 is 6, then 24, then 6 4 is 24. So the remainder is 0. If the remainder is 0, then the SCF is equal to 6. Okay, because the last number is the SCF if the remainder is coming 0. Now we can write this one according to Euclid's division lemma. So when we will write this number as in the form of Euclid's division lemma, then 468 is equal to 222 multiply 2 plus 24 Now this can be written as 222 is equal to 24 into 9 plus 6, and the third part, this can be written as 24 is equal to 6 into 4 plus 0. Okay, so this is the first part, this is second part, and this is third part. By using these parts, we can prove the rest of the part in the question given. Okay, now we know that SCF is 6. Now SCF 6 is equal to, from equation number 2 we will find out. From here, if you will find out what is 6, 6 is equal to 222 minus 24 into 9. 222 minus 24 into 9. Okay, so SCF 6, when we will find out, 222 we will write as it is, and in the place of 24, from equation number 1 we will derive the value, that is 468 minus 222 into 2, and because it is multiplied by 9, so 9 will remain outside. So this can be written in the form of 222 minus 468 into 9 minus, this one will be minus and minus, this one will be plus, 222 into 2 and 9, that is equal to 18. Now this 222 can be written in the form of 222 into 1, and this is plus 222 into 18 minus 468 into 9. So this is equal to, if you will take 222 as common, so inside the bracket 1 plus 18, and here minus 468 into 9. And again this can be written as 222 into 19 minus 468 into 9. So if you will see the question, the first part is 468 into x plus 222y. So we can write it in just changing their position. 468 into minus 9 we can write, plus 222 into 19. So when we will express this one, 468 into x, now here x is equal to minus 9 and y is equal to 222 into 19, so that is y is equal to 9. अगर आपको मेरा ये आज का वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो सब्सक्राइब करना बिल्कुल भी नहीं भूलना, क्योंकि हर एक एक्सरसाइज के एंड में हम प्रैक्टिस सेशन करेंगे, न्यू क्वेश्चंस, एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चंस सॉल्व करेंगे वहां पे. नॉट ओनली दिस, ड्यूरिंग द एक्सरसाइज ऑल्सो आई विल गिव यू सम टिप्स एंड ट्रिक्स विच इज रिलेटेड टू द एक्सरसाइज. तो अगर आपको फिर भी कोई कहीं पे डाउट है तो आप मुझे ईमेल कर सकते हैं या कमेंट बॉक्स में कमेंट भी कर सकते हैं. सो प्लीज like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get the new upcoming videos.